Hi, Fred here for another Tuesday Tent Talk, and we just wrapped up Matra 2023. Came back, it was a great show, seemed like a great location. I missed you guys all. I don't know if you knew, I got a new knee and I was on a travel restriction, so I couldn't make it there, but I do miss you guys. And first time in I think 20 plus years that I didn't see the show. Thanks to Pat, Pat Mohan, for being a vendor and a rental company president twice for Matra and his farewell tour as immediate past president. And please welcome Liz Davis from Mahaffey Fabric Structures as the incoming president, and the best of luck, Liz, with your new presidency role at Matra. So I was pleased to know that a lot of you guys were missing, looking for where I was and wondering where I was and why I wasn't there. But more so, I was surprised that more people were asking, where was Charlie? So for this Tuesday Tent Talk, I decided to put on some of the best footage from Charlie the Camel's visit to Matra and our plant. So hopefully you enjoy this. Congratulations, Liz. Thanks, Pat, for all you've done for Matra, and enjoy this Tuesday Tent Talk and see some of the humor with Charlie the Camel at Matra and in our plant.
Here at Fred's Tents, we always try to be one step ahead.
Trish! Where's my order?
I'm on the phone. It's already on the truck.
So I hope you enjoyed some of those camel videos. We really had a lot of fun bringing them to the shows in the past, and I'm sorry you guys missed Charlie more than me. It hurts a little bit, but I'll get over it. Enjoy the videos, and for Fred at TTT, WeMakeTents.com, see you next week for another Tuesday Tent Talk.